Alright, so here we go. I'm going to explain this here. As you see, I'm using 3 wires hooked up to that. This is the sensor wire for the speed. I don't have it hooked up yet because I haven't installed the sensor. I got to make a bracket for that and mount the magnets. We should be good to plug this in. But this is just power, ground, which the ground is run to the switch up here. So there's an electric switch and a shut-off switch. You know what would change that? Would be an ignition with an accessory. That would be nice. Eventually, I can add that to this once I get a starter. So I've got it grounded out to the frame. My little weld job for my dashboard. I'm going to try to hide all this eventually. I'm going to make a cowl for the front of it so that it covers up a lot of this. But anyway, I made this harness. So the harness goes down here. As you see, it comes up through here. There's only 3 wires. I could have ran all of them, but really no need to do that yet unless I hook up turn signals or brakes, which it's a go-kart. Doubt I do that to this thing. I just wanted to learn how to do it. So then we go back here, and here's where the harness comes out. So there's a power, and then the green wire is the RPM wire, and the blue wire is the shut-off wire. I've got my shut-off jumped over to the other side, so that way it's running 2 plugs. So both are just shut off. Then the power runs into the power right here, which this was an old battery sitting around, so I don't have the battery mounts for it, so I'm going to make some of those too. And the ground here, which is going to the motor, which is well grounded to the frame also. And just to kind of show you, right here. Oh, let's try that again. Had to put the power wire back in there. So that's going to work as far as that goes. And then we just fire it up here.